In front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, launch Settings. Second, scroll to tap on App Management. And when you're ready, click on Default Apps. Now, after entering those sections, just click on any of those to manage it. For example, I wish to change my browser to Chrome, so I have to click on Browser app, tap on Chrome to apply it as my new default, and tap on the back button. When I do that, all of my changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!